everybody, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Jonah Clipperton and I'm one of the Hot Wheels brothers. Today we are taking a look at my 4 new cars that I got rewarded back from doing my chores. And first up, we're taking a look at Rip Rod. First, we are taking a look at the card, or the picture of Rip Rod, the other things, then stuff here. Rip Rod had 8 out of 10. The HWB Dream Garage had blah 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 stuff you can read if you want to read them. Now, the car. As you can see, it's red bottom, the wheel spin. It's got that. It's got a roll cage and stuff like that. The wheels can roll like usual. Next is the 64 Chevy Impala. Picture that more stuff on the back that you can read if you want to read them. Now, take a look at the 64 Chevy Impala. Engine, fins, that gray bottom. The wheels can spin like normal. Next up is F Racer. It's got this, that stuff that you can read if you want to read them. And it's got the cars for the mix-up. Now, the car, it's orange stuff, the wheels roll, orange, spring 2020, so it's 2020 I guess, and then it's silver bottom with purple and yellow wheels. Next up, Cloak and Dagger. That stuff, more stuff on the back. It's got a special feature right there. Stuff to read if you want to read them. Now, with the car, the special feature is you can pop the top off. It's got, first let's take a look at the top. It's got some teeth, more teeth. The bottom, if you would like to see it, that is the bottom, with some blue designs on the top. And now moving on to the car itself. It's got this, that stuff, lots of colors. Bottom is clear. The wheels can roll like usual, and they all can spin. Now one more time a look at Cloak and Dagger with the cloak and the dagger. Mix it up and you get Cloak and Dagger. And there you have it. My review on my 4 new Mars.